This pack opening is going to be a little bit different, as we're ripping packs on this new website called Pigmint. It is a digital pack ripping that you can end up getting cards, as Fabled Sagas has some digital ripping now. I've got a couple of 5 things of 5 packs that I'll be opening here. See how it goes. Fua. Mystic Monochrome. Each of these packs only contains 1 card. Going to the next one. Oh, Perpetual Pestilence. It's a little bit loud. Abaddon's Bloom. Another Fua. And another Perpetual Petulance. 2 of them. Oh, okay. Well. No. Okay. Oh, Ryoko. Another Abaddon's Bloom. Oh, alternate art monochrome of Kelly Doll. Awesome. Ashrin. Last pack. Another Perpetual Petulance. Okay, cards, rip more. No. Where was it? It was under my rips. Okay. Let's rip this one. Another monochrome. Heck yeah. Oh, I saw in the back this one's gonna be... Oh! Heck yeah. Got the Serial Cassi. Oh, that's awesome. Rainbow Script. 9 out of 10. Nice fancy background stuff going on. Oh, that was an orange one. Sketch print of the Sayuri. That's fantastic. Okay. Regular Serac. And then this is the last one. Very surprised. Nice rainbow script. And the Sayuri sketch print. I can go to the actual Fabled Sagas and see the percentage. So the percentage to get the rainbow script is 18.18%. And all the other sketch prints as well. Some of them might be higher, some of them might be lower, depending on what they are. Well, that's a wonderful pull. It's awesome. Well, thanks for watching. That should be all for the ripping that I've got here.